2019 Honda Odyssey. Reset the oil reminder. Keeps coming up on your dashboard. Maintenance due, past due. It's annoying and you gotta push some buttons to reset it. Anyways, let's reset this thing quick and easy. Turn your car on until you get to this screen. I think your motor has to be on. If not, the vehicle setting will not be highlighted. Scroll over, look for settings. Mine's not here. Some cars have it there where it says settings, but I go to all apps and scroll and look for settings. There you go. Click on settings. Let me go over here better. Settings, sorry about that. And then we're gonna scroll down to vehicle. If your vehicle is not highlighted, it'll tell you gotta turn the car on. So just push that button to turn it on, let the engine run. Got vehicle, scroll down. You could do a lot of different things here. Door setup, lighting setup. Anyways, you're looking for maintenance information. And then tire rotation, you could reset that if you want to reset that, if you have them keeping track of it. Engine oil, reset. Reset a engine oil, ask you twice. That's reset. Engine oil reset. That's it, guys. That's how you do that. It will no longer pop up here and annoy the heck out of you. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Quick and easy video.